Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Malibu. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, security system, cruise control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.